welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are decorating my kitchen for fall. I'm so excited, and we're also baking my favorite blueberry muffins at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that and don't forget to subscribe. All right, enjoy.
The eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with.
Okay, so now I'm going to, obviously you can tell, I had cookies in this jar. I went ahead and washed it. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it. And I think I'm gonna see how it looks with the coffee in there, just cause I always use this coffee Ray Dunn thing and it's super cute, but you know, I'm kind of tired of looking at it. So I'm gonna give it a rest. Maybe I'll bring it back out for Christmas, but for now I think I'm gonna put the coffee cups in this clear one and go ahead and decorate this coffee station. I'm gonna be baking fresh muffins to put in here, so that'll probably just stay. Those bananas, we need to cut them up. I was gonna make banana milkshakes. I probably will do that today so they won't go to waste. But anyways, let's go ahead and work on this.
Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gone,
I want to use this to put all these like pumpkins. The problem is I only have a few of the orange and I have a lot of white. So I'm trying to put it in a way that it'll kind of look mixed. I don't know. I'm just gonna play with it. I want it to look full, but I want it to look like it's, you know, orange white.
Be moving on solo. Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Though I know I can't deny.
Okay, so I decided to add these flowers to it, and these little picks that I got from the dollar store a couple years ago. They're not that cute, so if I put it up high on top of the fridge, it'll look cute, I feel. Now I think since I'm gonna use this tray, maybe I can add a pumpkin here.
Your eyes have got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close.
Is that ugly? Is it too busy? I don't know. I kind of like it. I don't know. I'll see what my husband thinks. Okay, so after looking at it, I like it. I think it looks festive. So I'm gonna just go ahead and leave it. I think it looks cute. And yeah, I like how it's I like how the wood stand is elevating it, you know, to be a little higher so it's not sinking in.
Wherever you go, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake the muffins for my cake stand so that I can have fresh muffins. My family really enjoys that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
We have to open the blueberries, rinse them with water really good, and then we mix everything, and then we fold in the blueberries once this is mixed nicely.
Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Okay, now we put in the blueberries.
Reach out to me. Reach out to
And then we fold them in. I left some water, but it's okay. I make these blueberries like probably 3 to 4 times a month. Depends on how fast they're eating them. But I always have them in my pantry because everyone loves them in my house. Okay, so now it's folded in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and butter the muffin pan and then pour it in and we'll put it to bake.
Emptied out my soul, you've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago, I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?
Okay, and then I like to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of each one before we bake it. It gives it a little crunch on the top. So good. You guys have to try it. And you have to try this brand of muffins because it's the best.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?